So let's start how to use Cambly app. First of all, you have to visit in your Play Store, and in your visiting in your Play Store, you will have to search in your search bar Cambly English Teacher. So after visiting in my Play Store, I am searching Cambly English Teacher. Now you can see the interface of this app is like this. So first of all, I have already installed, but you have to install it if you are using first time. So I have installed it. I am opening this app. After opening this app, you will be get a interface like this. So after interface like this, you can see that practice makes perfect is just like thing will be written. Two options you will find. First is choose a plan, and second is schedule lesson. Okay, so you have to choose a plan first. Okay, so now see the Cambly plans. Okay, now the plans are opening and you can choose any of the plan. So let's first see that. Set your weekly agenda first. In minutes, you will have to set how many minutes you want to talk in a day. Okay, so first option is 15 minutes per day, second option is 13 minutes per day, third option is 60 minutes per day, and fourth option is 120 minutes per day. You can take any of the minutes. It depends on your budget and on you. So I am setting the 15 minutes per day. Okay, I have set it. Now after setting a minutes per day, you will have to set a day in a week, that how many days you want to talk in a week. So I have set, I can set 1 day per week. You can set 3 day per week, you can set 5 day per week, and 7 day per week. You can choose any of these plans. So I am choosing 3 day per week. Okay, that means I can talk 15 minutes 3 day in a week. Okay, so now I am clicking it. Now see the price of 15 minutes per 3 day in a week for a month. What will be the price? So in a month, I will have to pay 4499 rupees for 3 days 15 minutes in a week. Now I am seeing this. So after choosing this, I will have to purchase and I will have to subscribe. When you will subscribe, okay, then you will have option like this. It is saying that 15 minutes per day, 3 days per week for a month is 4499 rupees. Okay, now you can select any sort of plan method with a bank. Okay, with net banking. So I am choosing a net banking, and after net banking you have to keep continue. Okay, I have kept continue. After continuing this, something will be open like this. Here is written 12-month plan. If I am taking 12-month plan, then it will give me 45% discount, and 3-month plan, if I will taking a 3-month plan, then if I take the 2-month, I purchase the 2 month, then I will get 1 month free. Okay, so it is saying me to purchase a 3-month plan, then I will get 1 month free. So it depends on you what type of plan you want to choose. After doing this thing, you have to do next. Okay, after doing next, you have to put your email ID and phone number. Okay, after putting email ID, phone number, and which type of plan you want to choose, you have to tick in this, and at last you have to pay. Okay, you will have to pay. So pay, you can pay with your card. Okay, and anything. After paying this, your plan will be activated. After activating your plan, you have to come on home, and after coming on home, you can go on tutors. Okay, now see on tutors, you can see that there is lots of tutors. Okay, and you can chat with anyone. But how would you chat? Now I am going to show you. Let's see, I want to chat with Scott W. Okay, see, so I will click here first, and I will check. I can see his profile video, and now I am seeing his profile video because I want to know how he is teaching, how is his pronunciation, would I be able to understand it or not. So I will first check through profile video how he is teaching. I am opening his profile video and it will be run like this. Okay, see here his profile video is going on, so I will see through his profile video how he is teaching. After that, if I would like to talk with him, then see here practice English is written. You have to click here on practice English. So when you will click on practice English, your call will be started to Scott W and you can talk with them. After talking with Scott W, your call will be recorded automatically, so you can check your recording call in going in history. See here there is a history. You have to click on history. After clicking on history, you can check your previous chat. Okay, see, just like me, I have talked to Robert Farmilo, so my this video has been saved in my history and I can see it anytime, anywhere. See here my previous conversation is saved in history. So by this way you can use this app. Okay, so I think you must have understood how to use this app, and I tried my best to make you understand this. But after all, if you do not understand anything, then you can comment below. I will try to give you answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and like this video if this video was helpful for you. Thank you.